Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 in Sling TV. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once we open our browser, what we are going to do next is to search for Sling TV and then click on enter. Once you do that, you will be able to see this. So you just have to click the first link. And then in this part, what we are going to do right here is to just click on this see all plans. So if you don't have an account, of course, you have to avail their subscription for you to be able to watch inside Sling. So in this part, you just have to select your preferred plan. So just click on the one that you prefer. And then once you are now here, what we are going to do next is to just click on buy essentials and then just choose your monthly plan again. So click on add right here. Now in this part, what we are going to do is to just create account. So just put your email and then of course your password. And then put your billing zip code and then click on continue. And then once you're now here, here is the order summary of your subscription. So you just have to put your first name, your last name, your card number, and then of course your billing zip code. And then once you do that, you just have to click on finish and submit. And then once you click on finish and submit, you will now be able to have an account on Sling TV, wherein if you open Sling TV right there, you will now be able to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 live. So you just have to wait for FIFA World Cup to start streaming, and then that should be it. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.